I had a chance to take a trip up the coast of Newfoundland last summer. It's kind of what they call the Viking Trail as you head up the coast and you end up at this Viking village where the Vikings landed, hundreds and hundreds of years ago, long before Columbus ever sailed the ocean blue. On this trip, I only took one camera. I took a Nikon F3 and I took three lenses. I took a 24, 35, and a 135. So the 24 is an F4, 35 1.4, 135 2.8. And I took a bunch of Ilford FP4 film. Now, I didn't shoot as much as I thought. The weather wasn't perfect. It was always cold and mostly raining. But I did get a few good shots of some old fishing boats. It's always fun to shoot these old fishing boats as they've washed up. It's kind of like the minnow from Gilligan's Island. And some of the fishing boats are much smaller, much more basic, just mostly shells at this point. But you could walk right up to them, put on the wide angle lens, shoot with a tripod and try to get some shots of them. Now, I did find on some of them the keel line, as these boats are upside down, seemed to line up with the horizon a lot. So that was interesting. And I needed to change my camera angle, maybe go a little lower. I'm not sure. I think there was some weeds preventing that. But, try different camera angles just to control that keel line as it lined up with the horizon. But I did get a few good shots, and I did get a couple of good shots from Grossmorn, which is a provincial, or maybe it's a national park, and beautiful cliffs from a boat ride. And the other thing that was kind of cool was when we went to the Viking village, they had these recreations of the settlement, and so I've got some nice shots with the Nikon 135, just of these little doorways to these residents. And there's a picture here or there of like a color phone shot, just to give you an idea of what the situation really looked at. And as I mentioned, everything was shot with f3, 24mm lens, 35mm lens, 135mm lens.